Okay, so let's focus on these three options: PDF to CAD, PDF to image, image to PDF. Okay, so these are pretty amazing options provided by the PDF Blueprint. Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan, and in this video, we'll be just converting PDF file into DWG file, and then of course we will try to convert PDF to an image file, and then lastly an image file to a PDF. So let's just focus first on the PDF to CAD converter. Okay, I'll just click on this, and of course first of all you have to install PDF Blueprint. That's completely free. Just go ahead and download it from the link given below in the video description. Okay, and then after installation, make sure you double click on its icon, which is just available on your desktop maybe. Okay, and then go ahead and click on the file, and then of course open your file. Okay, let's just focus on the desktop. I have some files, and of course these are PDF. Okay, you can say the format is just PDF. Okay, and then let me just specify the foundation. Then of course I'm gonna click on the open. As you can see, this is a you can say foundation plan. Okay, now let's just click on the convert, and then of course let's click on the PDF to CAD. What actually it does, of course, it converts your PDF file into DWG file. Okay, so you can just then open that using your AutoCAD. Now as you can see, a dialog box appeared, and here we can of course add the PDF files to convert. One is already added because that is just the opened one. However, I'm gonna add another one. So I'm gonna click on the add, and then of course another dialog box, which is the open dialog box, and then of course you can specify the file where you have that in your computer. Okay, let's just try the subdivision. Okay, I'm gonna specify that one, and then of course let me just click on the open, and then of course that's just added over here. You can see we have two files. Okay, one is actually the foundation, and another one that is just the subdivision. Here are some options which actually converts each page, okay, into a single DWG file, of course, and then you can even use the merge convert option over here. You can specify the path by clicking these three dots, and then of course let me just specify desktop, and by right click I'm going to click on the new, and then of course a new folder. I'm going to name this converter. I'm going to click over here, and then of course let me just open it, and then I'm going to click on the select folder. Of course that's been specified. Okay, now I'm going to click on the convert, and of course the PDF Blueprint is going to convert those you can say PDF files for you. Okay, so we have to wait for that. As you can see, it's just done. You can say convert complete. Okay, total 2 PDF pages added and 2 pages are converted. Of course that's done. I'm gonna click on the OK, and then that's just opened over here. Okay, if that's not open, of course you can move ahead to the desktop, and of course that's the same folder. You can double click on it, and of course over here we have the details. Okay, the foundation, that is of course DWG file. You can see that. Okay, you can say the type format, that's DWG from the PDF. Okay, you can open that with AutoCAD. This time I don't want to open that. Over here, as you can see, the subdivision one, that's also DWG file. You can see that. Okay, pretty simple. Now again, I'm gonna move ahead to the, let me just close this one. Again, I'm gonna move ahead to the same converter over here, the PDF Blueprint, and of course I'm gonna click on the convert, and this time let me just try PDF to image. Okay, I'm gonna click on there, and of course a dialog box will appear. Over here we can of course specify our range. You can say the current page, and multiple pages can be added, and of course we can add the range. This time let me just say the current page. Okay, I'm gonna convert the same page which is, you can say, open, and that is the foundation plan. I'm gonna specify that one, and then of course the output setting format is JPG, and then of course the output quality, let me just say high quality. Okay, I'm gonna change the color into gray. You can even go with color, does not matter, and then the save path, I'm gonna change this of course into the same file, which is this one. Okay, select folder, and then of course click on the convert. As you can see, that's done, and as you can see, this is just the JPG file, and I'm gonna double click on it so we can see if it works or not. As you can see, this is high quality, and you can see even the text, okay, after a lot of zoom. Okay, so this is just, you can say, a picture format of the PDF. This is also good. Okay, and lastly let me just try the last feature of the PDF Blueprint. Okay, and that is image to PDF. Okay, I'm gonna click on that, and of course here is a dialog box, image to PDF, and you can even drag the file here, or maybe you can click the add button below. As you can see over here we have a button. You can just drag your file over here, but I'm gonna click on the add, and I'm gonna specify some images, maybe let's say on the desktop, and here I have different images. Okay, the world map, and let me just try this one. Okay, the course, I'm gonna open that, and of course the file is just added. Okay, you can see that. You can even add multiple pages, okay, just by clicking, I mean images, okay, just by clicking the add, or maybe you can drag there, and here are options. Suppose you can cross, or maybe you can even just click this option, okay, to view your image. You can even change the save path, but this time I'm not gonna change that. I'm gonna leave that on the you can say by default on the desktop. Okay, and that is image to PDF. Here is another thing, you can even uncheck open the file after converting. Okay, that's not gonna open the file after the conversion. Okay, I'm happy with the check because I want the file to be opened after the conversion. Okay, I'm gonna click on the convert, and that's done. Let's see it on the desktop. Okay, I'm gonna move ahead to the desktop, and as you can see, image to PDF, and I'm gonna open that, and of course this is just a PDF format. You can see that. Okay, so this is how we can use the converter of the PDF blueprint. See you in the next video.